Hello, what is going on? Well, we are in Krakow, Poland at FX Cuffs and we're having a great time. Rolf did his speech yesterday and it was quite good. He got some great feedback for it and I personally also thought it was really good, even though I'm biased. And the event is very well organized, people are nice, friendly, food is amazing, so this is definitely not the last time we are in Poland. As you can see, I'm the best dressed guy at the expo. No surprise there. And we made quite a few great connections as well. So all in all, this event turned out to be pretty awesome. We already took a look at the city, did some sightseeing. Tomorrow we will be doing some more historical sightseeing. And on Monday it's back to business as usual. So I'm gonna do my watch list now, and in the evening there will be a after party. They rented the whole club somewhere and people are gonna go nuts. Yesterday we had some Slivovica already, the Polish vodka, 70%. Alright, I came back to the hotel room, I turned on my laptop, I put on a YouTube video, and I can't even remember the first 5 seconds of it. Just passed out, woke up 8 hours later for breakfast. That's the life. And I imagine there will be a lot more of that tonight. Because apparently Polish people really love to drink, and their neighbors as well. Whew. But yeah, the people here are just amazing. The hospitality and the friendliness. I am nothing but amazed, seriously. And the food is awesome. Did I say that already? The food, oh wow. Just if you get the chance to go to Poland, just do it. Furthermore, Rolf and me have tasted blood about live seminars, so I think we will be moving into that direction as well in the future, doing simply more live events so we can get real contact with people, and at the same time we can basically connect that with traveling, which is both our passion. So I think that's a good plan, and it's gonna come along nicely this and next year, I'm pretty sure. So that's it from me for today. When I'm back home I will talk a little bit more about trading theory once more. I have quite a few topics I want to talk about, but in a more relaxed setting and when I have some more free time. Alright guys and girls and in-betweens, I will now go back to the expo. It's actually snowing right now. Have a few conversations with great people, and I'll see you next week.